up guys, Caleb here, or Caleb's FRS, and we are going to be washing this bad boy. It just got the wrap on it, it's fully ceramic coated, so I'm making this video because I'm curious of how the ceramic coating is going to make a difference. You know, it should make everything easier. The car is ceramic coated, wheels are ceramic coated, so everything should wash a lot easier, and water should just bead right off. So I'm going to get the stuff ready, and we're going to wash this bad boy. Alright, so we're over here at the detailing cart. I'm going to be using this for the soap. It is a pH neutral soap, so it will not mess up the ceramic coating or anything like that. 3D is the brand. I'm going to be putting that into a foam cannon. Beat it up. It is a ceramic coat protector and booster. Also used for a detail spray to make sure you can wipe stuff off your car without damaging the ceramic coating, so that's nice. We're gonna start off with just a spray first. I'm gonna spray, y'all can kind of see the water bead. See, it beads up and goes away. Beautiful. About to bust out the foam cannon. This soap should be very foamy, so let's see. Around. Oh yeah. It's the first time using the soap, so probably need to dilute it a little better, mix it a little better, but still pretty thick. Some good stuff. Let it sit on there for a little bit. Wheels looking good. So far I like it, and it smells really good. It smells like bubble gum. So now we're going to wash the car, spray the car off, and then dry it. I'm gonna hopefully just be able to use a leaf blower and dry it off. My goal is to never have to touch the wrap to prevent swirls and all that. So I'm going to just drive the car, and, let the air do its thing, and then blow dry it if I need to with the leaf blower. I did buy a brand new towel that I can use if needed, so we will see. We had to lay back on the pills. I just fucked the plane, and set up in your field. Yeah, slime little bitch, I know you're not real. I'ma spend my money on guns and pills. In Atlanta with a bitch, and the bitch on edge. I'm on that little bitch. Alright guys, the FRS is back in the garage. It ended up cleaning really easy. The leaf blower did most of the work, but I did have to go over some spots with a towel just to make sure it's dry, like the trunk. I'm gonna next do the windshield, but don't gotta record that. Just wanted to show you guys that cleaning a wrapped car with ceramic coating is easy and doable, and definitely worth it. This wrap looks amazing. Peace.